Hey everybody, it's day 2 in Paris. Today we are going to see the Lady and the Unicorn tapestries. Yesterday I walked and walked and walked and saw a ton of this beautiful city. And today the group is going next door to the Cluny to see the Lady and the Unicorns. And then I'm going to explore Paris a little bit more. So here we go.
I was enchanted by the unicorn tapestries. I actually didn't think that I would like them as much as I did. I loved the animals in them, and they just had a real sense of life. And I will write more about it on my blog sometime in the next few weeks. We also saw this tapestry, which I failed to get the name of, but I liked seeing the woman spinning what I believe is flax. A lot of the Cluny is closed right now for renovation, but these Roman baths from about the first or second century AD were open and they were pretty amazing. Then we jumped on the metro and went to see the Workshop of Lights, which is an amazing show about Van Gogh's work. It's just a different presentation of art where they took Van Gogh's paintings and made a whole presentation with music projected on the walls of this vast space. There were probably hundreds of people in this space in the dark with this light show that lasted about an hour. It was quite impressive. After that, we hopped on the metro again and went over to Foundation Louis Vuitton, which I have to say, the building stole the show for me. There was a fantastic Impressionist painting show and some nice modern works, but the building, the Frank Gehry building, was just amazing and well worth the trip out there to see it.
Oh wow. Okay, you can turn around.
So then, at the end of a long day exploring Paris, we went back and visited the unicorn tapestries again. Here they are. Just kidding. We were eating at the Crêperie des Cluny, and these painted glass backlit panels were in the restaurant.